In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share OneNote across devices. If you want to make sure your notes are available on your computer, phone, or tablet, the most important thing is to confirm that your notebook is syncing properly. Once sync is working, OneNote can keep your content updated across all the devices where you're signed in with the same account. To begin, open your notebook in the OneNote desktop app. Make sure you're in the notebook you actually want to access on your other devices. This is important, especially if you use multiple notebooks for different projects, classes, or workspaces. Give the notebook a moment to fully load so you can confirm you're in the right place before moving on. Next, go to the top left corner of the screen and click File. This will open the Backstage menu where OneNote gives you access to notebook settings, account information, and sync-related options. If you don't usually work in this area, don't worry. You only need a few clicks here to check that everything is updating correctly. After that, click Info. In this section, you'll see detail about the notebook and options related to syncing and sharing. This is where OneNote helps you manage how your notebook connects to the cloud, which is what allows it to stay consistent across devices. From there, click View Sync Status. This opens a window showing the current sync state of your notebooks. It's a very useful place to check whether OneNote is syncing normally or if there are any delays. If something hasn't updated on another device, this is usually the first place you should look. Now, select the notebook you want to update and click Sync. This tells OneNote to manually sync that notebook right away instead of waiting for the next automatic sync. In many cases, this is enough to push your latest changes to the cloud so they appear on your other devices. Once the sync completes, you should be able to open OneNote on another device and see the same notebook with your updated notes. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a few moments and make sure the other device is connected to the internet and signed in to the same account. That's it. By opening the notebook, going to File, selecting Info, viewing sync status, and syncing the notebook manually, you can help ensure your OneNote content stays available wherever you need it.